These are just our clutch hub holders is what I call them, really. You go in there with this side here on the clutch hub or sprocket. You can use this on sprockets too. It's got these two nubs right here. They clip around the sprocket, and it's just like a pair of vice grips. It just locks in there. I've had these ones for, geez, I don't know, since 1980 something. Work good. Come in very handy for all sorts of things if you're trying to lock something up. Gears, clutch hubs, sprockets, things like that. They're cut across the face here. I don't know if you can see that or not. At an angle. Cut at an angle across the face there. And very handy tool. Usually what you'll do is on this side here, you'll be able to lock it somewhere on a stud or something while you're torquing it so it'll lock in position.